Stop running out of time and rushing nowhere.